Tom here. It's 11:20 p.m. a.m. 11 p.m. Monday. And Farmer Tom is standing outside. And he's got his lawnmower right here. And he's going to take his shirt off. And it's 55 degrees outside right now. And of course I got my buddy Harry, and it got cars. You can see the cars lined up. Alright. So what Farmer Tom is gonna do is he's in a pair of shorts. Alright. Farmer Tom is gonna take his FUBAR beer bong and funnel a beer and ride around the yard at night. On the riding lawnmower. So here we go. Hopefully I don't hit the car, but we're gonna ride. 55 degrees, no shirt on, pair of shorts on, funnel of beer. Oh, that's all. And I run in my barrel. Just hang on.
Yeah, you just run over your beer squishy.
That's alright, yeah, I got another one. It's Farmer Tom here. It's 11, probably about 11:30 by now, because, you know, I went around the yard. And Farmer Tom ain't done yet. We're going to get this motherfucker going. Party on. Cheers. God bless. I'm about to freeze my ass off. Thank you.